Hello, treasures. Welcome back. Let's make our Sunday stew. I'm here boiling my tomatoes. Most times, I like to boil my tomatoes before blending. So that's what I'm doing here. After boiling it and cooling it a bit, I'll go ahead and blend it. And this is how it looks after blending. I'll be using chicken for the stew, and here I have my already grilled chicken. This is my air fried chicken. I have a video of this air fried chicken recipe in my channel. I'll leave the link here for you. Do check it out. So now that our tomatoes and peppers are ready and our chicken is ready, let's make the stew. Into my dry pot, I'll add some cooking oil, about 2 cooking spoons of oil. Then allow it to heat up, then go in with some chopped onions or sliced onions, and about half a teaspoon of salt. I like to fry my onions with salt. Then stir fry for about 2 minutes. Next, I'll go in with the blended tomato pepper mix. This is a combination of tomatoes, peppers, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of onions with tatashi and shombo all joined. I'll then cover and allow it to fry for about 7 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'll stir it very well, then we season and spice it up. Here I'm adding some seasoning cubes, ginger powder, garlic powder, thyme, and a curry powder. Add any seasoning of your choice. I will also be adding in some chicken stock. After stirring, I'll cover and cook it again for another 10 minutes before we now go in with our grilled chicken. I'll stir again so that the chicken and the stew can mix. Test it for salt. Everything is okay. Then I'll cover again and allow it to cook again for 5 minutes and we'll be ready. 5 minutes later, our stew is ready. I have this curry leaf, so I'll go ahead and add it some curry leaf. This curry leaf will now round up the taste and take it to the higher level. If you have curry leaf, don't miss adding it in your stew. It's always very yummy, delicious. I'll stir in the curry leaf. Just allow it to fry or cook for just a minute more, and I'll put off the gas. Our chicken stew is ready. Please, if you have enjoyed watching this video, help me give it a thumbs up. Yeah, you can enjoy this stew with your boiled rice or boiled pasta, boiled plantain, boiled yam, even your bread. You can also enjoy it with your bread. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.